So, welcome to the jungle. It has been winter here and there's nothing growing. So, we have some ice bears though. Waiting for global warming. It was an art project one time. And we are now ready to do the tong challenge from blacksmith. They're in the fire, they are way on the way. And I'm pretty happy with them so far. Ow, hot! So, I've been working hard with drawing out those rains with this hammer. Hammer challenge, right? So, it's a 1.5 kilo one, and I'm trying to planish out the rains. I used to got quite brutal method for drawing them out, and I'm not looking so shabby so far. Look much better than these ones, huh? That's my previous tongs, just out the rebar, and they look horrible. But they work. That's what's important, right? So I'm gonna punch some holes and I'm gonna rivet them together and I'm gonna fit them. I think this is gonna be fucking nice. Sorry for the... yeah. Boom. Riveted together, and these tongs are sweet. So, this is why I don't do the hammer project. I have a hammer challenge here. You know, I broke my hammer. I got some new ones that I've dressed the corners of. They were like they were new, sharp and ugly. But yeah, I did that. Hey, happy holidays.